Yo! So, so hello guys, so this is me again, Mr. Cuber. So I'm now right here to show you how did I solve this pocket cube. So first, I'll go and scramble it first. Alright. I don't know why did I use this method, so I think this is LBL or Ortega method. This is not actually Ortega method, so I just like solving F2L right here and OLL and PLL, except the cross. Just like this one. I want to put this down. And then this one. Last corner. I just like pull this one. And then the OLL cases. There are 7 cases. I like that. Yo. I just got that pocket cube. So I have to show you this one. This is my very first cube that I got from that year, from 2025. I think this cube that I think this cube is my first solve from my Rubik's Cube. So I just solve using CFOF method and a beginner method, just like solving yellow daisy. I think like this, and then like this. And then you have the yellow daisy like this. And then you put it down. That looks disgusting thing. So, I solved the F2L corner and edge. And like this one. So I'll take this out and then go from this. And then this one. So go right here. This one, go from right here. And then this algorithm. So sample, I want to solve this one from right here. So I just want to know away from it. 60 moves with rotate and insert. So I have now like this in the same way. So we have now right here 60 moves, insert. So 60 moves, insert. Then adjust finding zone like this. Making the cross. And then but like this. And then finding the line color. And this one. Let's use this algorithm. Line edge pieces with colors. And then this one, this corner is on its possession. So I use this algorithm. And then it's not still. We just do it again. It's on their position. And then you just flip it. And then it is. Lastly, you will solve. That's my beginner method. So thank you for watching, and for my pocket cube here. Yeah, so good looking than this old cube. So please like and subscribe and watch this video 2 times because we're very poor family. So we have little money, so we need money very, very much. So, thank you for subscribing, like, and watching. So, so it's very, very helpful for our family. So see you from the other video.